Are you, guys, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Hey guys, my name is KP, and today I am so excited and a little bit nervous to be reacting to some EXO. So today I will be watching EXO's live stage of, I'm gonna read this so I get this right, White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love. Okay. I had a couple people comment that I needed to watch it, specifically one viewer named Jay, who, and I quote, said, "It's too sexy. You might faint," because I did. Well, let's see what happens. Here we go. Oh my word. I don't know if I'm ready. Oh, guys, I'm not okay. Also, I really appreciate how this video has subtitles, so I can connect things like it just saying waves and them doing body roll waves. That's amazing. Ooh. Oh, okay, Bacon. I see you. Dio's like. Guys, I don't know if I can do this. Oh, that's cute. Dio is so cute, guys. Alright. Aww. They look like they're having so much fun. It's raining on them. Okay, guys, I'm not ready for this. I'm now appreciating more the fact that they were being cute, because I feel like I needed a little break between all the sassiness. Holy smokes, what did you guys get me into? Guys, this is amazing. This is so amazing. Can you imagine being here? I cannot. Oh, I love that. Oh, guys, this is amazing. I'm like logistically, I'm totally enjoying this, but my brain was like, how do you have raining stages? Like, are there drains in the floor? Like, what happens? They have to have costume change after? Like, I'm so intrigued. This is amazing. I also was thinking, like, if I was on the front row of this, that rain would totally splash on me too. and we would be in a moment. We would have a moment. Oh. I like this song a lot. It's a good message. Oh, that was nice. Okay, oh, I see it. Guys, I love watching them dance. One, because they're amazing, but two, I just love seeing how every single one of the guys dances so differently, like so differently, even though they're doing the same moves, the way their bodies move, it's so unique, and I love seeing that. It kind of like shows off their personalities, I feel like. Oh, I miss you too. Kai cannot do that. I'm sorry, Kai, but okay. Overall thoughts so far, this is amazing. I don't know how any of those EXO-Ls lived. Oh my word, more rain. Oh, okay, I was about to say, like, they're playing a song called Thunder, right? How appropriate. Oh, do it. That's so cute. Oh, it's amazing. They're just having so much fun. It makes me want to be there. Ooh. We're just gonna keep going and act like that didn't happen. Guy's duality, he switched so hard. Yes, no, you've gone too far, honey. You have all gone too far. Ooh, his vocals sound great. What? It's okay. We're just pausing because I need a mental breather. Okay. We're getting back into reality. Okay. It's all good. We can get through this. We can do this together. I cannot handle it anytime Kai is on the screen. I really cannot.
지금은 달라도 시작은 같았다 아직 돌아갈 수 있다고 믿어 지금 하나 둘 세면 우리 거를 잰다.
Oh, that's so cute. It's like a little ending fairy. Stop! Stop! No boy, get back, get back. Okay guys, I know this song because I've listened to it like a ton of times, but I have never looked up the English lyrics. And I mean, the song is called Playboy, so you can assume it's kind of like scandalous. But guys, I didn't know like this is an intimate song. Show me all your secrets. I won't tell anyone. Like, I mean, okay. I'm looking at this song with a new light now, for sure. Oh my word. Okay. Okay. What just went through my head was, I bet the first time that they were like getting to learn this dance, getting to learn the choreography, their choreographer was like, okay, pair up. We're gonna do some like sassy, sexy dances together. And I really, really wish I could have seen their facial expressions the first time they learned this. Because I know like they turn it on, but I bet it was so funny seeing them learn this. Oh, yes, Daniel. Guys, this song is spicy. Oh my word. You ready? You ready? You ready? Yes, I love that. The pause. My baby. It's amazing. Guys, all the body rolls. All the body rolls. Oh, okay. Oh my word, I cannot. I also was gonna say, I noticed like all their pants, they're all black. Yes, they're all dressed in black, but they all have like studs or some type of like something shiny on the sides or the seams. And I really like that because I think if those weren't there, some of their dance moves would get lost. Like you wouldn't see all their beautiful lines and curves and all the things. So I really like that. Just the stylist thought of that. Oh my word, I cannot. Guys, they have canes. Nope. We are entering dangerous territory. Dangerous territory, beware. Guys, this is great. Dio makes me so happy. Just because I don't really... all these guys are so good looking and so like spicy, but I just don't really view Dio that way. And so to see him like do this dance where he has to like get into it, it makes me laugh so hard. Cause I know it's like not his personality at all. Artificial love. Artificial love. Oh, we're bringing it down. We're bringing. Oh, no. Yes. Oh my word. Are they gonna do a group dance now? Oh, get it. Oh, that was fun. Guys, I really like how... well, I like a lot about this song. I really like their dancing with the canes though, how they're using that as a prop. Not only to have an individual dance, but how they are using it to dance with each other as well. I think that was so creative. It makes it really interesting and like fun choreography. Fun. Guys, this is the one that is yep. We know. Y'all know. Y'all can see. It makes me want to sing it every time. Okay, Kai. Guys, Okay. I'm just thinking now, oh, those cameramen that were behind the cameras having to zoom up on that. I really want to know what they were thinking. Oh, or camera women. Oh, that was amazing. Oh, okay, lost the canes. Ooh, that was pretty. I don't... Ray! Guys, I literally, my brain is shutting down. I don't know if you noticed, but I can tell I'm like the amount of emotions and like all the feels happening. I'm like, oh my word, I'm so exhausted and trying to hold all this in. They are just like, I don't know how to feel. Well, I do know how to feel. Yeah, they're just like putting it all out there. These boys, my goodness. Guys, oh, are you, guys, Guys, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? It's like, we got the rain, we got the sexy canes, we got blindfolds. Like, it just keeps getting better and worse. Depends how you look at it. Oh, this is cool. Ooh, that was neat. Guys, this is so impressive. No. Guys, I cannot. You were right. I fainted. I am so overwhelmed. I need a glass of water. I need a fan. Well, I mean, I liked it. And you guys were so right. That was, yeah, definitely faint-worthy. I literally am like struggling to find words to say. Amazing. They can move their bodies, that's for sure. And I do love they're more like spicy songs. It's fun. They just can do it all and pull it off so well. And my goodness. Yep. Amazing job, EXO. Thank you to the people who recommended I watch this. It was a lot emotionally, but I enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, I will see you in my next one. Bye!